He thought the discount was 50%, but he misunderstood everything. This is how funny English confusion happens in real life.
Welcome to Fluent Speak Lab. Today's lesson, a funny shopping mall misunderstanding. Let's begin.
Excuse me, is this jacket really 50% off?
Yes, but only for members.
Oh, I thought it was for everyone.
No, the member discount is special today.
Wait, so the price on the tag is not the final price?
Not exactly.
Oh no, now I'm confused already.
Don't worry, I'll explain.
Please do.
The regular discount is 20%,
Okay.
but members get an extra 30% off.
Oh, now I understand.
See, it's not too complicated.
It sounded complicated at first.
Are you shopping for something specific today?
Actually, yes. I need clothes for a job interview.
Oh, nice. That's important.
Yeah, but I'm terrible at shopping.
Why?
Too many choices.
Haha, that's fair.
Also, people speak so fast here.
You mean my English?
A little.
Sorry, I talk fast sometimes.
No, it's okay. I'm trying to improve my listening skills.
That's actually good practice then.
Yeah, real conversations help more.
Definitely. So, what kind of style are you looking for?
Something simple and professional.
For interviews, neutral colors usually work best.
Like black and gray?
Exactly.
Honestly, fashion is confusing to me.
You're not alone.
I usually just wear hoodies.
That might not work for an interview.
Yeah, that's why I'm here.
Do you already have shoes for the interview?
Sneakers?
Professional sneakers or running sneakers?
Running sneakers.
Okay, yeah, we need to upgrade that.
I knew you were going to say that. Shopping feels stressful sometimes.
Why stressful?
Because I always feel like I'll choose the wrong thing.
That's normal. Most people overthink shopping,
Really?
especially before important events.
That actually makes me feel better.
Good. Try this jacket on,
Okay. Where's the fitting room?
right over there. A few moments later.
I think this jacket is too big.
Let me see. Yeah, maybe one size smaller.
See? I told you I'm bad at this.
No, that's completely normal.
I thought shopping would be easy today.
Nothing is easy when you overthink.
That's true. Okay. What about this one?
Oh, wow. That actually looks much better.
Really?
Yeah, this size fits you perfectly.
I honestly can't tell the difference.
That's because you're not used to formal clothes.
Exactly.
Turn around for a second.
Like this?
Yeah. Okay, the shoulders fit well too.
You sound like a fashion expert.
After working here for years, you learn these things.
I feel strange wearing something this formal.
That means you're stepping out of your comfort zone.
True.
Do you want to try matching pants too?
Sure. Why not?
Okay, I'll grab a pair.
Shopping is more complicated than I expected.
Especially interview shopping.
Yeah. I suddenly understand why people bring friends with them.
Exactly. Shopping alone can be confusing.
A few moments later.
Here, try these pants too.
Okay. Later, Noah comes back out. Wait, why do these feel so tight?
Because those are slim fit pants.
Slim fit?
Yeah.
I feel like I can't even breathe.
Okay, maybe not slim fit then.
See? This is why I struggle with shopping.
No, this is actually funny.
Funny for you, maybe.
Trust me, I've seen much worse.
Really?
One customer tried on a jacket backwards last week.
Okay, that makes me feel better.
Try the regular fit version instead.
Please. By the way, your English is really clear now.
Now?
Yeah. At first, it felt too fast.
Oh, maybe you're getting used to it.
I think so.
That's how listening improves. The more you hear real English, the easier it becomes.
That makes sense.
I think I'm becoming more comfortable talking, too.
Definitely. At first, you looked nervous.
I was.
But now you're joking and speaking naturally.
Yeah, I didn't notice that.
Confidence grows during conversations.
That's true.
At the checkout counter. Hi, did you find everything you needed today?
I think so.
Your total is $94.50.
Wait, 94?
Remember, the member discount wasn't added yet.
Oh, right. I panicked again.
Do you want to sign up for the membership?
Is it free?
Yes.
Okay, then.
See? Now you get the full discount.
This shopping trip has been an emotional roller coaster.
That's shopping life.
Honestly, this experience helped my English more than I expected.
Because it was real communication.
Yeah, real situations feel different.
And you handled everything well.
Even the slim fit disaster?
Especially that.
I can't believe shopping turned into such a big adventure today.
And you survived it.
Barely.
But honestly, you did pretty well.
At first, I felt completely lost.
Yeah, you looked confused the moment you walked in.
Because everything sounded fast and complicated.
And now?
Now it feels much easier.
That's because your brain adjusted to the conversation.
I think so too.
Real English becomes easier when you hear it naturally.
Yeah, I noticed that. At the beginning, I was nervous to ask questions.
But later, you started speaking more comfortably.
Exactly.
That's how confidence grows.
Honestly, I thought people would judge my English.
Most people are too busy to judge.
That's actually comforting.
And communication is more important than perfect grammar anyway.
I needed to hear that. I think today taught me something important.
What's that?
If I keep avoiding conversations, I'll never improve.
Exactly.
I used to stay quiet because I was afraid of mistakes.
And now?
Now, I think mistakes are part of the process.
That's the right mindset.
Even the slim fit pants situation taught me something.
Especially the slim fit pants situation.
You know what's funny?
What?
I came here to buy clothes, but I'm leaving with more confidence instead.
That's a better purchase.
I actually feel more ready for my interview now.
Good. Confidence changes everything.
And honestly, thanks for being patient with me.
No problem at all.
You made this experience way less stressful.
That's my job.
Well, I should probably head home now.
Good luck with your interview.
Thanks. I'll try not to wear slim fit pants.
That's already a smart decision. Remember this. You don't become fluent by staying silent. You become fluent by having real conversations.
Even awkward and funny conversations.
Especially those. And for everyone watching this video, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Start speaking today.
Take action. Like this video, subscribe to Fluent Speak Lab, and practice every day.
We upload real-life English conversations every week to help you.
Today started with confusion, but it ended with confidence. And your English journey can too.